Welcome friends. In this video I am going to cover a rather uncommon topic about aquariums. Many a times you will face a situation where you will have to move an aquascape and obviously you don't want to dismantle it. So in this video I am going to explain how you can move an aquarium without dismantling it. Definitely I am going to also cover how the aquascape was set up. This aquascape was done by the Ripples team for one of their clients, and then we had to devise some ways to shift the aquarium from the gallery to the client's place. So in this video, I am going to cover certain ways that the aquarium was set up, some nuances of it, and also I am going to cover in details how we shifted the aquarium from the gallery to the client's place. Hope you find this video enjoyable.
This video is as you know, is a part of an ongoing series on how to aquascape. You saw how this 60p aquascape was set up. Okay, I think the Ripples scaping team led by Debashish has done a very good job. I have not done the scape myself. I would like to take you through how the scape evolves. Okay, already if you recall, the scape was done on 23rd of November and today is 5th of December. Already the plants are growing well. So let's look at within this last few weeks how the plants have grown, which plant is doing better than others, and stuff like that, few nuances and intricacies. This is a triangular layout with the slope coming from in the right to left. Okay, so there is a void space here. And again, this is a scape where we are very much inspired by the Brazilian style, which has been popularized by Luca. And here also we have tried to create that using Frodo stone. And there are 3 layers. Okay, in aquascape it is important to create layers. So you can see that the team has managed to create 3 layers. One is this, second is this, the third is this layer. Okay. Other point is that is a good thing that team has done that the top of the rock here is at about 60% of the aquarium height. If it is too low, it is not good. If it is too high, then also it is not good. So, the rock placement has been perfect, okay, that way. And in terms of planting, there are 3 layers of red. So, there is one layer of red, there is another layer of red, and there is another spot of red. Frankly, it creates a little bit of distraction, but I think considering that it is a Brazilian scape and we try to use, and thanks to our Aquasky RGB, we can show the different coloration of plants. So, I think we can live with that. Okay. So, now let us look at specifically at the plants and how they have grown. So, on the extreme right is Rotala wallichii. You can already see that how beautifully this pinkish red color is coming out. In my other video, and I have given the link above, we have spoken very highly about Aquasky RGB, and this is another testimony of the kind of color rendering that this beautiful light from ADA can give us. Okay. Then once we move on towards the left, we have Rotala wallichii. Okay. Again, that green coloration is coming out. It is followed by Rotala HRA. Here we have Rotala HRA. Okay. You can see the red tips coming out here. Okay. It is still to show that rich red color. It is just a few weeks. I think it will come up and it will do fine. Now, on the left, the team has used Rotala green. This is one of my very favorite plants. Okay. I will tell you in subsequent sections that why it is a favorite plant. It has got a very, very unique property, but let that property come out first and then I will tell you about it. Okay. And here we have got cryptocorine pink panther. Again, you can see the color. Okay. Beautiful color. And you can see the contrast. Now, you have the micranthemum bed here. Just look at the green and look at the pink. The contrast is coming out so rich. And not only plants, you can see the Frodo stone. You can see the various layer, the color, that greenish brown color of this, which makes this rock really beautiful. Okay. Hemianthus anyway is our all-time favorite. We try to use it everywhere. A great plant to create bush. Okay. Already the leaves have transformed from its TC shape. We will have to do cutting, and finally we have our Ludwigia arcuata. The light is little less here, so but still you can make out the orangish color that is coming out. The only plant that I see is not doing very well till now. It is not growing very well. We have to see why. Is this clump of, I think it is Rotala Wayanad. I am not too sure. I will have to check with the team what plant they had actually put here. I am not able to make an ID, but nevertheless it is not doing too well. So let us see. We will have to give it some time, I guess. Okay, so that is the layout, like overall in this just a few 1 or 2 weeks, I think the growth is phenomenal. Okay, let us keep our finger crossed and let us see how it grows in subsequent weeks. Okay, I wanted to point out another very important thing. This is nature. See, many times we get a call that many people ask me that above water the plants show a different property, underwater it shows a different property. It's so clear with this Rotala wallichii. See, this is the above water leaf, exposed, okay, the immersed leaves, okay, which is green, and you see from green underwater how it has transformed into red. There is a big play happening here. There is a big chemistry happening here. Maybe in some other video we will cover that why this transformation happens. Okay, a transformation, the reason behind this transformation, but we just wanted to document it and show it to our viewers.
Thanks for watching. We sincerely hope that you liked this video. We tried to cover not only how to aquascape an aquarium, but how to shift it if needed from one place to another. There are certain steps to be followed, and we have tried to cover them in details. As we request in all our videos, please do subscribe to our channel Ripples Nature Inspired Aquarium and like our videos. This will help us to come up with many more contents. Stay tuned, we'll be soon coming up with another interesting video. Thanks for watching.